All right, let's check in again with KETK's meteorologist Andrew Samet for another look at what's currently happening with Beryl. Andrew, what are you currently seeing and what do East Texans need to know at this point in time?
All right, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning until 11:45 for parts of Angelina, Nacogdoches, and San Augustine counties. You'll see a pop up there on the board. It's for the far southern part of the county. 60-mile-per-hour straight line wind gust is the primary severe weather concern. However, we cannot rule out an isolated tornado as well. Now, there's some rotation within that. It's just not tight enough to warrant a tornado warning at this time. And so we're continuing to watch it closely, but there's no tornado concerns at this immediate hour right now. But we are definitely going to keep an eye on it. There were a couple of tornado warnings just to our south over parts of Newton and Jasper counties. And so some of these rain bands have spun up some brief tornadoes near the Jasper area. And so we'll continue to track this rain band as it moves up to the north and to the east as we head throughout the day today. Current wind gusts look like this: 39 miles per hour in Crockett. That is tropical storm force winds right there. Lufkin, Angelina County Airport down to a 33-mile-per-hour wind gust. It was at 48 miles per hour earlier with a sustained wind of 29 miles per hour. So winds are certainly picking up in deep East Texas, which means the power outage count will likely tick up as well, especially for deep East Texas, where we are going to see the strongest winds out of the event. Now, in terms of the area of tropical storm force winds, the latest update from the Hurricane Center shows it in parts of Houston and Trinity counties, but their next update is going to have to include Lufkin and up towards Crockett at this point, because now we are officially seeing tropical storm force wind gusts there. It extends still all the way down to the Houston area, still seeing tropical storm force wind gusts after hurricane force wind gusts earlier this morning. Now, in terms of the chance for tropical storm winds, again, we've already seen that in deep East Texas. Generally speaking, the farther north you go, the lower the chances of seeing a tropical storm wind gust, which is defined as a wind gust greater than 38 miles per hour. But it's still something that we should keep an eye on, especially out in deep East Texas. Again, of course, Beryl is weakening as it's moved on through land and will continue to weaken as it moves north through the area. So naturally, we're going to see that threat for higher winds decrease the longer it is over land, and thus the farther north it is in this case. So something to keep an eye on still. We could still see wind gusts up to tropical storm force in strength in the Tyler area. But right now, winds are at 9 miles per hour with a temperature of 76 degrees. So it's a pretty warm morning for us, but it feels more tropical than anything else as you head out the door. And in Longview, it's more of the same. We can see the raindrops on the camera lens there. 75 degrees is the temperature. We've got winds at 8 miles per hour. So again, breeze is a little bit lighter out in our northernmost areas. Along Interstate 20, you go down to deep East Texas, though, and we are seeing those tropical storm force wind gusts. Now, here's a look at what Futurecast has. We'll go every 2 hours here. By noon today, we're still going to see that heavy rain, primarily in deep East Texas, but the rain will start to get heavier and heavier along the Interstate 20 corridor as we head into the afternoon. You can see by 2 p.m., widespread rain, flooding threat out in deep East Texas, more isolated thunderstorm activity to the north and east of the main circulation. So this more isolated activity that you see showing up here has the greatest potential for a tornado or two as we head into the afternoon. So that's something we'll be watching for closely. Heavy rain continues and lifts to the Interstate 20 corridor by 4 p.m. That's when the heaviest of the rain will at least start for places like Tyler, Longview, and Marshall, but will continue to increase during the evening hours. And you can see by 4 p.m. as well some of that more isolated activity on the eastern side of the circulation, where we will have that greater chance of a tornado. By 6 p.m., still very heavy rainfall along the Interstate 20 corridor, which continues through about 8 p.m. And by then as well, we're tracking the heavier rain moving towards the Interstate 30 corridor. Winds will continue dying down, though, as the storm lifts up to the north, but it will still be quite breezy out there. The heaviest of the rain lifts north of Interstate 20 by 10 p.m. And by midnight, the heaviest of the rain is out of here, and we are just going to be left with some scattered showers, although it will still be a bit on the breezy side as we head into your day tomorrow. But for your day today, we are going to see that heavy rain continuing and only increasing from here on out from the south to the north, with some tropical storm force wind gusts as the wind threat there. Sustained winds maximum between 25 and 45 miles per hour, with wind gusts in deep East Texas potentially as high as 60 miles per hour. We've seen at least 58 mile per hour wind gusts out in the Huntsville area, so we may very well see that here in deep East Texas as well. For tonight, we drop down to about 70 degrees, rain mainly before midnight. Other than that, we see some scattered showers afterwards, although it does remain windy through the overnight hours with sustained winds between 20 and 30 miles per hour. Here is a look at your 7-day forecast now. We are going to see these temperatures warming up as we head into the end of this week, as we see the sunshine return by Tuesday, and we are going to see a chance for isolated thunderstorms again for Saturday, but nothing tropical anymore after Beryl. Now for deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for those gusty winds to continue for the day on Tuesday, but again, Monday is the severe weather alert day, so make sure to stay weather aware. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website,